Kind of hard to do it with. I need W40 it. Well, I don't know why that didn't work. It was supposed to work. I don't know. It was supposed to work, folks. Now I gotta solve it the regular way. That's okay. It's not too far from solved. Let's see. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Blue, orange. That's weird. I thought, sure. Oh well. Okay, there's all the green. Now the red goes here. I'm just not solving it like I normally would. I'm just trying to show you that you can solve it many ways. But there's one solution, as Rubik says. See, either way you do it. There's billions of, 43 quadrillion or billion ways for one solution. There's many ways to do it. Okay, I'll try this again.
Badges out, Billy.
Okay. Hold on, folks.